Welcome back, students. So, just now I told you that the most important law that came into effect soon after the storming of Bastille, that is the starting point of the French Revolution, was the abolition of censorship. This was a very important change. This was a very important law. In the old regime, all written material and cultural activities, books, newspapers, plays, could be published or performed only after they had been approved by the censors of the king. But now the situation changed. But now means after the revolution, after 1789, all these changed. The Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen proclaimed freedom of speech and expression as a natural right. Yes. Now, freedom of speech and expression was given to the people. Now, they were free to express themselves. They can say whatever they thought wrong about the administration. This was a very great right. It was a very important right, I am telling you, students. That is freedom of speech and expression. And it was made a natural right. Please try to understand. I am telling you, I am explaining very slowly and each and every line because it is very much important. So, it was made, freedom of speech and expression was made a natural right. Newspapers, pamphlets, books and printed pictures flooded in towns of France, from where they traveled rapidly into the countryside. Yes, now the people are free to go with their speech and expression, their right. Yes. They all described and discussed the events that changes taking place in France. Yes. So whatever changes was there, it was informed to each and every nooks and corners of the country, and people were aware of it. Freedom of press also meant that opposing view of events could be expressed. That is very much important. Freedom of press meant opposing view. Now the people are free to even criticize the government, which was not allowed earlier. This is very much important to understand. This is the main essence, the fruit of right to speech and expression and freedom of press. Freedom of press means the people can criticize the government through press. That is very much important. Each side sought to convince the others of its position through the medium of print. Plays, songs, and festive processions attracted large numbers of people. This was one way they could grasp and identify with ideals such as liberty, equality, justice, etc. So French Revolution inculcated the ideas of liberty, fraternity, inch by inch, everywhere in the society. And that is the reason why people were free to express themselves, criticize themselves. And that is the reason why, in turn, even the National Assembly government was put down by the people because they found that it was not right. And convention government came to the power, and there were several changes. Whenever people found that the government was not working accordingly, they made a change. So this was the essence of the French revolution. Thank you very much, students. We'll continue with this